we have a Pierce RF oscillator here, and we've connected supply volts of 15 volts to the VCC to the module, and we've connected the output of the Pierce oscillator to the input of the spectrum analyzer. As you can see, the output has a number of harmonics. The fundamental frequency of the oscillator is roughly about 56 megahertz, and there are several harmonics to the frequency. To generate this frequency, we are using a crystal oscillator in the feedback path of the transistor. So this forms the resonating element, and the resonant frequency of the crystal is generated at the output of the Pierce oscillator. Now we can measure the frequency of the Pierce RF oscillator. We've already measured it at as roughly about 56 megahertz. We can measure the output power level of the RF oscillator. The output power level is roughly about plus 3 dBm of the fundamental. We can measure the frequency and the levels of different harmonics. We can observe that the first harmonic is at roughly about plus 2 dBm. The second harmonic is at roughly about minus 3 dBm, and so on. We can measure the levels of the different harmonics. We can observe the effect of the supply voltage on the output frequency. Right now the supply voltage is kept at roughly about 15 volts. Now you see, as we reduce the voltage, what happens? As we reduce the voltage, the level of some of the harmonics, it increases, some of them reduces, but overall there is a reduction in the harmonics of the oscillator. Now if we reduce the supply voltage much lower, the output of the oscillator dies down altogether. Now if we start the oscillator back again, we increasing the voltage and the output starts coming out, and we can observe that there is basically no change in the frequency of the oscillator, because the tuned circuit right now here is a quartz crystal as compared to a LC oscillator in the previous oscillators that we have seen.